So guys, this is a quick update for the crypto markets. So you can see the chart of BTC on my screen, right? So first of all, let's go to the daily time frame. So it can be clearly seen that yesterday the market has given a huge liquidity hunt by trapping all the long players and hitting the stop loss, which was placed somewhere around 59,500 to 15 to 60,000, right? So yes, clearly it can be seen on the daily time frame that this week has managed to take out all the short term leveraged long positions and most probably liquidated them, right? So this fall can be seen only on BTC. If you look at the chart of Ether, so Ether is relatively stronger as compared to BTC. If you look at the chart of any other altcoin, it can be clearly seen that the altcoins have somewhere down the line recovered from their lows, right? So yes, the fall in altcoins was pretty strong before Bitcoin actually fell. So this fall is more on the side of BTC, and it can be clearly seen on the chart of the BTC dominance that yesterday the BTC dominance came down by a huge percentage, which is somewhere around 2%, right? So this is what we can understand from the current market, that the bigger longer players, right, those who are actually trying for spot market entry with huge positions, with huge capital, are trying to wipe out the smaller players before the markets actually head higher, right? So clearly this is a big liquidity hunt, and you can obviously expect a further downfall from the current area of interest. So yes, this is a very important support zone, and hence the market has given a decent enough pullback, which is somewhere around 1500 points in case of BTC, right? So yep, we can expect a further downfall from here uh, till somewhere around 58, 57,000, and we can actually look forward to establishing short positions after the market reaches probably 63,000, right, which will be a good entry for our short side trade, right? So clearly the altcoins are seemingly doing much better. So let's now talk about the entry, right? So first of all, let's come down to the lower time frames. So I'll be looking at the hourly. So on the hourly time frame, the markets can be seen to create a wick at the bottom and is actually recovering from there till around probably the last support zone, which is somewhere around 63 350 to 400, right? And from there on, the markets can again be expected to fall. So the ideal short side entry would somewhere around be the mark of 63,000. So clearly we can expect a wick, right? After the market reaches this area, we can expect a wick on the upward side, and following that will be a good short side fall, right? Good downfall actually, right? So that's where we'll be planning the entries, preferably at the EMA, as we can see on the chart, right? So on the 15 minutes time frame, the markets are actually taking support from the intermediate zones of interest, which is somewhere around 61,300. So our ideal entry would be on 5 minutes time frame. So once uh, the price establishes a resistance zone on the upward side, what we can wait for is a crossover for this 21 EMA to go down below the 100 EMA on the 5 minutes time frame. That's what we follow. That's what we have been following for the time being, right? This trade strategy has been doing pretty well. So if you combine this with basic price action, what we can understand from here is the markets, after reaching a decent resistance zone, can actually head for a further downfall after the EMA 21 crosses the EMA 100 from upward side to lower side. So this is the trade plan for the short term, guys. Of course, look forward to establishing long positions as well on preferably altcoins, as they are performing better in case the markets recover, right? So plan accordingly and trade as per the market structure. Right now, what I will personally be looking forward to is a Bitcoin short after it reaches the assumed resistance zone, Okay, so yep, this is my trade plan for the short term. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your feedbacks for the same, and also you can share your view in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you in our next video.